If you've heard about the Temu affiliate program but never looked into it seriously, you're not alone. Most people assume it's only useful if you have a big audience, but with the latest update, that's no longer the case. Temu has quietly changed how the affiliate program works, and it now includes free items and bonus rewards that weren't available before. Let me explain exactly how this works and how to use it properly. Before we start, I've put the official Temu affiliate access link right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, so you can follow along step by step. Now here's what changed. The affiliate program used to focus mainly on commissions from purchases. With the new update, affiliates can now unlock free physical products, earn bonus rewards from link activity, and access exclusive promotions regular users don't see. And you don't need a big following to qualify. Step 1. Join the affiliate program. Click the affiliate link in the description. This takes you directly to Temu's official affiliate sign-up page. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or an existing Temu account. The process only takes a couple of minutes. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Step 2. Open the affiliate dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll see new sections that weren't there before. These include affiliate-only links, bonus reward tracking, and free item promotions. Some rewards unlock when your link is clicked, others when sign-ups happen, or when certain activity milestones are reached. Step 3. Unlock free items. With the update, Temu now offers real physical products as rewards. These aren't credits or coupons. Once unlocked, you select the item and it ships directly to you. The items rotate often, so checking the dashboard regularly matters. Important notes: only activity through your affiliate link counts. Old links may stop working after updates. Some rewards expire if not claimed. That's why I keep the latest working affiliate link updated in the description.